Okay, y'all, it's part 4 to the potato experiment. As you can see, it's grown quite a bit more since the other day, adding that layer down here. So I've added more layers of sticks around it. Now I will be filling that back in, but started thinking about it, as it gets taller, these aren't going to be enough on their own. So using what was my mom brought this down when she came down to visit and gave it to me. It's the old twist tie type stuff, but a big reel of it. I'm gonna wrap it around pretty much all the way around, give it a couple of loops going up, almost a spiral, but a tighter spiral, using the mulberries, and I'm gonna collect some more from over there. Yeah, that way it gives it a lot more stability. And but yeah, I mean, look at this thing already. You saw it the other day. Already. Now again, I don't know what's in this soil, so I'm not even going to attempt to say that this is organic by any means. But this, you could tell this area back in here is where they kept for years, throwing their lawn clippings, all that kind of stuff was back there. But you can see, like right in, I think that area, there's a couple of what I would believe is probably 3rd or 4th generation, maybe even, I don't know, but there's like flowers that you could tell somebody planted them there at one point. But they're the more natural version now, I guess you'd call them, because they're so much smaller than what they would normally be if they were in a flower garden. But yeah, still haven't been able to burn that yet. Landlord's trying to find out whether or not we can without having to get a barrel. But if I got to get a barrel, I might have a place for a free one. But again, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Whatever's in this soil is, I don't know, maybe years of nobody using this soil. I don't really know. But this thing is just exploding. And by the way, look, look at this here. I didn't give up on it, but I didn't see anything for a little while. And this is the other thing too with gardening. Give it some time. Now this definitely, you can hear that needs some water. But yeah, give it a little bit more time. And look at this too. I do know that in here, like right in there somewhere, I don't think that's it. Or is it? Yeah, there it is. There it is, right there. It was over here. Yeah, that one's coming along. This is, no. There's one here, and no, that's not my flash. This one, oh, that one. One there. There's one right in there. It's kind of yellowish right now. Yellowish purple, but that should change shortly. And these ones, these two are coming up nicely. And that one's actually coming out pretty strong. And there's that one right there. There. And then these two are taking their sweet time. But the one thing I found with considerable amount of vegetables, the ones that take their time, honestly usually end up being the ones that taste the best. This is the update on it. Like I said, that is going to be backfilled in. I'll probably add, show you once I fill it back, do the backfill and all that. Anyway, privateer, y'all have a blessed day. Okay, y'all. I ran out of the twist tie stuff, so I got, yes, it's pink. I know it probably looks red on here. I don't care. It was, I want to say Mason's string line. Had some in my shed, so I did that with the stakes. And again, it is a bit taller. I did fill in some more dirt, watered that down. Wasn't going to film it, but then I realized, yeah, might as well show this. And I'm wondering, honestly, whether or not, and I'm going to keep it like that because it's helping keep it sturdy. But I'm not going to do that too often throughout it, simply because I don't want to run the risk of the potatoes growing around the string. Could probably pull them out right away, but you know, I still don't want to run that risk if I can avoid it. If not, oh well. But yeah, there's the last of the update, and again, as you see, it's a couple tiers higher than it was the other day. And I'm gonna, as I go along, I'm gonna keep adding the skinny mulberries or whatever branches I have that'll keep it holding in place. But that, I think, will work for a while, especially with this string tying. Not, you know, maybe I'll go strings maybe when I get like about that level, almost to the very top of the average stake height here, and yeah, maybe I'll go from there. But anyway, that's the end of it on part 4. It's Privateer. Y'all have a blessed day.